Heidi-ho everybody, and welcome to another New York adventure. For today I went to Hershey's Chocolate World in Times Square in New York. This store features candy made by Hershey's, specialty gifts, and even a homemade chocolate bar with special food, which we're going to try. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. And please comment on this video whether you like chocolate, tried this store, or what you thought of this video. It really helped me out. Now let's get started on today's fun adventure. I first hopped on to the beautiful subway, got off the train and ran into the cops.
Oh my God,
Then moseyed my way down to Times Square, where all the sights and sounds of New York can be heard. Look at that. Oh my, look at the signs. After that, I found my way to Hershey's Chocolate World, where I was greeted with a smile.
We have delicious milkshakes, cookies, and s'mores back in the left-hand corner. We also have the only Reese's Stuffed Your Cup section around the right-hand corner. Thank you, Bob.
Now, Hershey's Chocolate World in New York has anything you can want that has Hershey's in it or on it. They have stuffed animals, they have clothes, they have a make-your-own candy with your own printed image on it, bags of candy. They also have a milkshake bar and also a bakery in the back, and they also give out free candy. Looking at this section, we have some stuffed animals, $14.95 for Reese's, pillows, giant bottles of syrup. That is a piggy bank for $17.95. Giant Hershey bars for $39.95. Hershey's Kisses pillows, $24.95, and stuffed animals for $14.95. A giant actual Hershey's Kiss for $16.95. I love the giant versions. They had a giant Kit Kat, giant Jolly Roger candy, $22.95. Giant Hershey bar, $39.95. Giant Kiss, $16.95. Giant Kit Kat, $22.95. Giant Twizzlers, $5.95. Looking around, they had, of course, the giant candy section. They had different types of clothing. To the right was a bakery, in the back was a milkshake bar. This was a special Kisses section. They had all kinds of flavors of Hershey's Kisses. Cookies and cream. Almonds, I love the almonds. Not too crazy about dark chocolate, but it looks pretty with that purple on it. Different Reese's miniatures. Pull it. Mixtures of candy. Little nuggets. Jolly Ranchers. I felt a little bit parched, so I went into the back. I went to their Big S'mores milkshake and s'mores bar.
Oh my God, what is that?
So different kinds of s'mores made of Hershey's chocolate and marshmallows. Different types of candy. I didn't get a chance to get those, but I did go over to the bakery, so stay tuned for that. Here's some more of their milkshakes. They have dark and regular Hershey's with cookies. A strawberry and chocolate milkshake. This is something I tried, the mega cookies, a Reese's cookie, a Kisses cookie, and a s'mores cookie. I tried one of those. They also had mini cups of edible cookie dough. Let's go over to the bakery and try some snacks. So this is the Reese's Stuffed Bakery. Here we have syrup, Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. Some other stuff. There was a slushy machine in the back, which I also tried. This is the big cookie and pie section.
Oh my God! What is that?
That was the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup giant cookie. The Hershey's Kisses giant cookie. And the last one was the s'mores cookie, and I think they put some more stuff on top. Then they also had that little mini Hershey's pie. So here are the prices for some of those. That pie was $19.95, and you can stuff it with cookies, marshmallows, sprinkles, pretzels, syrup, you name it. The mega cookies, which I tried, were $5.95. There was a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, a Kisses double chocolate, and a Hershey's S'mores. And then there was the edible cookie dough for $7.95 of Hershey's S'mores cookies and cream peanut butter. They also had a Jolly Rancher slush, which I tried. I then went over to the side. There was sort of a little bar where you could stand, and I went and tasted some of my food. So the first item I tried was this giant Reese's Peanut Butter Cookie for $5.95. This was a basic sugar cookie with chunks of Reese's Pieces in it, a Reese's Pieces on top, and a white Hershey's chocolate drizzle on top. Let's give it a taste. Get it? It's heavy. The cookie tastes okay, and so do the Reese's Pieces, but the white chocolate has a strange, artificial, almost plasticky taste to it, and it kind of messes up the flavors. This is a decent cookie. I don't know if they had a bad day or not. I really wanted to try it, and I really liked it, but because of the strange taste of the white chocolate, I think I'm going to give this 6 out of 10 candy bars.
Oh my God.
The next time I tried was the Jolly Rancher Cherry Slushie, and this was $5.95, which consists of Jolly Rancher cherry flavoring and ice. Get in. Oh gosh. Let's give this a taste. It's cold, but there isn't a lot of strong flavoring here. It tastes a little bit watery. I don't know if they were just having a bad day or they were just so busy, but this doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. It needs a little more flavoring. Because of that, I'm going to give this 4 chocolate bars.
Oh my God.
Out of 10. Next, I went around the store to look at more of their gifts and candy. This was the Hershey's Kisses section, and it seemed to be more girl-oriented. There's pastel colors, hats, a mini large kiss for $2.50, a bottle of Kisses for $19.95, stuffed bears $14.95 each, stuffed Hershey's Kisses pillow $37.95, a snuggly blanket, some pretty mugs, $16.95. Hershey's bowls, $9.95. Milk mugs. This section seemed to be more for boys, $18.95 for the Hershey's football. $24.95 for the candle, socks. Hoodies, $39.95. Some neck braces. A medium Hershey's for $9.95. Pajamas. Shirts, mugs, $12.95. A gift mug for $12.95. A Hershey's bowl for $9.95. And syrup for $3.95. This was the Reese's section, so you had shorts, $15.95. T-shirts, stuffed animals, hats, pajamas. This was the sweet personalization section, where you could sort of make your own candy bar and then personalize it with your own wrapper. Let's go over here and give it a try. You put your own photo on here. Pick out a general packaging. Let's do the Statue of Liberty one for New York City since I'm in New York. Let me type in something. H-I. And next, quantity. It says Hershey's High on it. And I'm not sure how much that costs. I didn't have the money to buy it anyway. This is more of the Reese's section. There were giant boxes of Reese's stuffed animals. Pillows. Oh my gosh, 36. That's a little bit too much for a stuffed animal. More Reese's section. Here we have pillows for $24.95. A neck rest for $24.95. Hats for $19.95. Socks for, I don't know how much. And two for $26. Bags of different types of Reese's. T-shirts, $19.95. Reese's peanut butter. More stuffed animals. Keychains. Looks like a Lego's dump truck. A nice tie-dyed hoodie. And different types of Reese's products. A beautiful mug for $16.95. Collector's cup, $12.95. Milk mug, $9.95. And regular size bars. More stuffed animals. And cars and trucks. Over here we have boxes of the Reese's snack cake, because I like a snackin'. Lastly, on my way out of the door, they handed me a little Hershey's bar. And then I was off on another adventure. Get this door. So, the Reese's store had a lot more to see. There was also a lot more food to try. This is a really fun adventure. I wish I could have gotten more, but I already ate that day and it was kind of hot outside and I didn't want to keep a bag full of chocolate. So that was my review of Hershey's Chocolate World, New York. Thanks for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. And please stay tuned for some more fun adventures in New York and other places. Bye-bye, and keep on snacking.